That's gonna have to go on his backside. So we're down here. We're making multiple videos. Good cameras upstairs. Just using GoPros. And one of those last videos I did, I talked about redoing this thing. It's got the 2700 in there. I'm gonna put that 1050 in there. So, and then I'm gonna put the stock cooler on here just to get it up so we can stream. I had to put the back plate was missing. I don't know what I did with the back plate, but I taped the back plate on there for now. We're gonna take this off so I don't break anything. So I gotta find the drive, but I pulled out the power and I pulled out the plug for it because this has got SSDs. So we're gonna spin this, turn around. I've already got it wired for a graphics card. But what we're going to do is we're going to grab this head. Oh, there they are. Thermal paste. So we're going to grab some thermal paste and we're going to try to put that cooler on. Whoopsie. Let's go ahead and pull out this tripod here. Maybe set that way we can put that in there. Got that ready. Yes, sir. One thing I never understood about these coolers. I'm gonna do this standing up, right? You only put about a half a tube of this. That's what I like about those tubes. That's gonna have to go on his backside. See, told you. It's all fine. All right, well, since this is an MSI board, we're gonna go ahead and throw an MSI card in here. I probably got that stupid thing in there. So we go find some screws. We put the graphics card in. I know I tore out a whole bunch of this stuff. I forgot what I was doing on this particular build, but I still should be able to get this thing in there. I should be able to line up those screw holes. If I had the right screwdriver. Power cord. This is 8, that's 6. That's fine. Take this one off. Pop that one on. Move this around. All good. Now, I don't know if this one has. I know I got one of these that Windows is already installed on. All right, well, let's try it. Well, fans turned on. Saw some fans turning on. See if it's all on the other side of me here. Let's see if it loads. Okay. All right. The computer's all set up. I know there's no RGB. Oh no, no RGB. Hey, I don't care. I got OBS set up for here. I'm going to try to figure out some kind of audio whenever I start live streaming on the print. The one I picked is about 4.5 days. 4 days and 4 hours, 5 hours. So watch out for that. It probably will be printing by the time you guys are watching this. So if so, I should put it on the end cards, or just check out the channel and find live, and you should see it. It'll be pretty amazing. Anyway, with that with that all being done, we'll say goodbye for now, and hopefully this printer does what it's supposed to do on the live. I've got a few more things to do for the camera, but with all that, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.